This is the Miofive S1 Dash Cam. It records up to 4K. You can connect to the dashcam via your phone, where you can view the camera, view footage and change any settings. Looking at the camera on the left, you have the speaker, obviously camera lens in the middle, got display screen on the back, micro SD card slot and a mini USB connector. On the top you've got a power button and a USB-C for the power. Here we've got the user manual, which I'll show you through that near the end of the video. This is the charging cable, which will power on the dash cam once plugged into the car charger and then your cigarette lighter. Here you've got a data cable. Here you've got the adjustable bracket with a 3M adhesive strip on it. This is a plastic crowbar to help tuck the cables away if needed. Get an extra 3M adhesive strip, cleaning cloth, 2 static stickers. Here you peel off the back and stick onto your windscreen and then attach the dash cam onto that. And the bracket's going to attach onto the dash cam like so, which you can rotate forwards and backwards, left and right, and twist to tighten. Your footage will be saved to a micro SD card, which you can use up to a maximum of 512 gigabytes. And you want the card to be a class 10. If you record in a lower resolution, this will save some of the storage.
Hi, Miofive is here for you.
Now the dash cam is powered on. You can see the date and time, kilometers per hour, automatically starts recording. If you press this middle button, you'll get to the menu, which you can scroll up and down to make any adjustments. Now we're going to attach the static sticker onto the windscreen of your car. It sticks onto the glass easily. Now we're going to stick the dash cam into the center of the static sticker. You can tilt forwards and backwards or tilt left or right, or completely turn it if it's backwards. When I start the car up, it instantly starts recording. Now we're all set to go. Let's check out the footage.
Miofive continue to serve.
To view the dashcam on your phone, install the Miofive app. Once open, you want to register and follow through the steps. Select the camera on the right, and on the dashcam hold down the OK button for 5 seconds. This will then display this QR code, which will show the QR code on the dashcam onto your phone. Your phone will scan that dashcam and then they'll be connected to each other, as it will ask you to connect through your Wi-Fi and display that for you, which you can then click Join. If you click on Album, you'll be able to see all the recorded footage on there. Drive mode will show your speed, mileage and highest speed. Click on the settings icon in the top right corner, you'll get through to all these settings which you can adjust. These will adjust the settings on the dashcam and you may find it easier making the adjustments on your phone than on the dashcam. This shows we're connected.
What's option C again? Producer Luch planning to cause drama with another Radio 1 show.
He's always doing that.
He's always causing drama.
I just came back from Skid
Rock Dog Freddy is. Oversee producer Lizzie.
As you can see, it'll also record sound from inside the car. You can see the date and time in the bottom left of the screen and also the kilometers an hour, which you can change to miles an hour if you want to. Here I'll show you the user manual to show you all the information that's provided. Oh yeah, that's alright. We'll be in the park. Alright? See you in a minute. Bye.
Miofive continued to serve.